Uh-oh, it looks like sleepy time. Oh.
You want to get up and walk around her?
Walk around her. She wants to get her following you.
Oh, do it slow so she can follow.
Big circle. That is more. Slow down. Slow down.
You got this thing. You don't want to watch it.
She thinks she really... She just likes watching you. She thinks you're neat. Go ahead and walk around again. She'll still follow you.
She's looking at the cave.
No, she's looking at you.
At the cave too.
She thinks you're pretty neat.